Draw an A4 size rectangle. Fill white color to the object. Draw a small rectangle. Select both the right nodes using Shape tool and drag as shown. Select this rectangle. Click on Contour tool, contour outside. 1 step, 5 mm offset. Right-click on Contour object, break contour group apart, or just press Ctrl-K to break. Select outer object, click on Contour, contour outside. 1 step, 20 mm offset. Break contour group. Again, select the outer object, contour, contour outside. 1 step, 5 mm offset. Select all objects and place it on rectangle as shown. Right-click, break contour object. Select outer one. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to make a copy. Place it on those objects and rotate. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Keep the copy of this object. Change color. Select both and click on Weld. Click on Interactive Fill tool. Drag on object. Change color. Make a copy of this object. Drag and press right-click to make a copy. Hold Shift and decrease size. Place it on the top left corner. Right-click on Image, Power Clip inside. Click on Object to Power Clip. Control-click on Object to edit Power Clip content. Control-click outside to close Power Clip window. Select this object, make a copy and decrease size. Select both and place it below as shown here. Select Freehand tool and draw a line. Fill color using Smart Fill tool and delete those rectangles. Change color. Select all, remove outline, click on Group, Ctrl-G to group.